How's it going? It's Tuesday. It's May 26th, 2020. It was a big day for the stock market. Let's go over the winners, the losers, and the stocks we follow here today, and all in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Big winners of the day, 60% on the upside for Mitcham Industries, energy, seismic equipment for oil and gas industry. Apparently, they feel like they're going to survive and come back. I'd stay away from that industry. I still think oil is bearish on oil long term. I think we're going to switch. This virus is just a catalyst for that. Tupperware is up. They haven't really been profitable lately, but they are up. GNC is just bouncing off of nothing, nearing bankruptcy. Um, Cumulus Media also bumping. A lot of overwhelming feeling that things are getting back to normal. So some older legacy industries are popping up here. Spirit Airlines, Macy's. I think Macy's is on the way to bankruptcy. Don't trust it. Uh, At Home Group, United, another airline. Guess they're probably going to go down in the future, but they're up right now. Allegiant Travel Airlines had a huge day as the overwhelming sentiment is, hey, we might be getting back somewhat to normal. I'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video. Uh, on the downside, Hertz swimming its way into bankruptcy, down 80%. Everybody knows it. They're going to be restructuring. We'll see what happens there. Moderna down because those vaccines are a year away and all this funny business. Look, it's a huge drop, 16% drop for Moderna. They were up crazy last week, but all the funny business with the guy running the company selling $30 million of stock right as it's going up. The fact that it's still almost clinical trial, preclinical, it's super early. Like you don't know, and there's a bunch of competing vaccines. Merck released some information today, which I'll get to in a minute. Tuesday morning, this is the kind of the road that I think that Macy's is going down, is the Tuesday morning route. Those malls are not going to be packed no matter what you think about us opening up. People are still going to be concerned, and you're losing a percentage of your sales. It's trouble. What else we got? Anything losers here? Rand Capital. You know how I hate the capital markets if you watch these videos. Oil Trust. 1-800-Flowers. They're a profitable company, but are you really going to be ordering flowers once somebody popping up and delivering something at your house could be bringing coronavirus? I don't think you really want it. Grand Theft Auto, Take-Two, I talked about them yesterday in my sector video. They're down today, but wait till they release the new Grand Theft Auto game. That will be going up. So winners, losers, let's talk about the stocks that we care about and how they did today. Actually, most of them did pretty well. And so we love Tesla. Tesla's my number one company of the future. They'll be at $1,000 a share before the end of the year. So this is going to help them. This actually virus. People will look back on the virus and say, "How? Oh yeah, this pushed Tesla ahead of the combustion vehicles and also everything else they do into a new sustainable world." Because here's why. 2 minutes left. What's transitioning? We went from the normal economy pre-virus to the essential economy, where we're only getting food, shelter, medical care, things that we absolutely have to have. Now we're realizing that in order to kind of keep our lives going and optimize our existence, it's really a health revolution. And we're going to want to change the way, like I see a lot of overweight people out jogging right now. I see people that want to live, people that realize that their health matters when it comes to combating the virus. And I see this health revolution coming, and it plays in with a company like, what is it, SunOpta? I want to talk about SunOpta for a second because they create plant-based food, healthier foods. Yeah, STKL, SunOpta, up 8.59% today. I've had them for a couple weeks after I saw them a few weeks ago. They have low margins, but people are into getting healthier. That's what's happening, especially the summertime rolling around. Everybody's out and about. If you've been out, you have seen tons of people. Walmart down a little. Merck, news of a vaccine and partnering with Novavax. Not the news I'm waiting for about famotidine and treatment of coronavirus with famotidine or Pepcid. Not the news I was searching for. Different news. They did go up 1% today. Microsoft down a little bit. Carriage services. Carriage services is like funeral homes, and I mean, it's kind of a negative way to approach investing right now because you're dealing with death. However, we are experiencing excessive deaths right now in the last 12 seconds, and this is a company that's got excessive profits. They're doing very well, and I see them going up well above 20. Alphabet's up a little. Twitter had a great day. 4 seconds. LSI had a little down day. Duncan had a good day. And Beyond Meat's down. And we're out for now.